Hey guys, it's me again. Woo! It's an unboxing video. Yay! Yeah, it's only been a week or two since my last one, but I already ordered another figure. Here's the box. It's pretty big, man. It's a pretty big box for this. It's way smaller than this. Alright. Now, handy dandy scissors, as T-Fisher88 says. So yeah, alright, let's go. Oh geez, they sealed this one really good this time. Alright. Yeah. This might take a while. Yeah, okay. Come on. Okay. Alright, I'll just try and I'll do it up here. It's kinda hard. God, they even sealed this all the way. That's insane. Ah. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yay. Got part of it. Yay. Okay, almost done. Here, I'll show you. I'm almost done. Here's and okay, and nice little parts. Okay, it's almost done. Got the lip. Oh, whoa! What the heck? Okay. I got the lip, as I say. That's kind of dumb what I just said. Alright, whatever. I just gotta get these sides here. Okay. I gotta get this side. And last side, yay. Alright, I opened the box. I opened it. Alright. Temple City. Throw that away. Ooh, here's the actual figure. More of that, and the package is empty. Now here's the figure. Haha, you don't know who it is. But I do. Oh, sorry. Oh wow, this is an awesome figure. Here he is, guys. The 6-inch Mogira. Yeah, this is an awesome figure. Wow, that is way better than I thought it was gonna be. Alright, guys, buy this figure. I got it for 17 bucks on eBay. So yeah, alright, see you guys later. Look at that figure. That's nice. Alright, see you guys later.